Hello, my dear friend. So I was just actually wondering how many of you, including myself, were ever aware or know that what is considered to be the first algorithm of the world is some computational, some sort of table computational spreadsheet and algorithm to compute something done by a lady under the name Ada Lovelace, and it happened in the 19th century. So, if you are aware of this, in the times of compute, so since that moment, I think everything has improved so much, and there's been so much adding onto this computation. So the the sciences that are more precise, more exact, more mathematical. So just pumped a lot into that, but you still have to mind the social, biological, emotional uh, parts of the human beings, because we are still not machines. So I have now called this new YouTube of mine, which is new now. I call it Mimic. Nimic. Mimic is because actually artificial intelligence has been brought up to light or to life somewhere 50, 60 years ago, so we have a Turing test and all those scientists that, when there was the AI winter and all this, and it's been started as a mimic to mimic the intelligence of biological intelligence, superior human beings, and it's still mimicking, it's still trying to be like that, but because it's just a different kind. Its machine is synthetic, is artificial. It can't be. It's still a mimic, so it will be maybe better than us at many aspects, but it's going to be just different than us in same lots of aspects. So there's these two entities are now, like I've always proposed, some sort of neutrality. Like, I'm not saying equality between machine intelligence, machine learning, and human learning and knowledge, and acquiring knowledge and wisdom. Like, I don't know how machines are meant to be wise, but as I am still a social humane sciences, scientist, and from parents who were teaching be, from philosophy to Greek, Latin language to economy. Like, I have been going through all these things throughout my life, bouncing between, what's practical, what remains, what should we invest our time and money. Money and time. Of time is what I think we don't have as a resource. So now I just wanted to let everybody know that. It's still clashing a lot. Like, we are still forcing ourselves to do more abstract things, and these are the things in which people and capitalism, and not only capitalism, seems to be investing more. So that's why poets and artists are pushed down at some moment, because their output and creation is not as abstract and as, but still they address emotion for other humans. So it's not valueless, it's not like that. It's just like the society is built in such a way that it prefers to invest money and pay in more exact, precise, mathematical, abstract sciences, computational and machinery like type of sciences, and not like the spiritual, artistic thing that, address the soul, if we have one, because we don't know. And I'm not skeptic in this. I'm just like, I don't know. Like, I go with the Kantian system of knowing the world. So I think concepts like soul and immortality and God are pretty much well. Immortality is not we can understand what immortality is, but if I'm thinking now what Geoffrey Hinton says and warns is that we humankind, well, some of us definitely have invented immortality, but it's not for us, it's for the machines, because once the biological, like the human brain dies, when he dies, uh, like the knowledge and the wisdom and everything, he dies with him, except what he was able to, write and let others understand of his knowledge as a one individuum and one single. It's different, but machines, they can basically replicate their knowledge, let's say, like in millions of other machines and different sort of devices, like different from phones to servers to other memory sticks and hardware and it can be like the knowledge of a Tesla car can be replicated in a million other Tesla cars before it crashes. And then during, if the crash was registered, then all other billion Teslas that are produced after will have and know about the experience of that one uh, dead Tesla car, because of the way they can translate and can transmit the information fast and to indefinite number of uh, instances of objects, which are bound by the large language models and architectures and the big data and cloud computing and all of this. I hope I haven't talked too much nonsense. I think I'm making some sense. Don't forget to subscribe and like this new channel of mine. And this one is called Mimic Nimic, which Nimic is from Romanian language because I'm originally from Transylvania, Romania, from Sibiu, from Hermannstadt. Uh, and in Romanian language, Nimic means nothing. So it's basically just like slip of tongue. It's just like playing with the words. Mimic is mimic in many languages. Mimic is pretty much the same in many languages. Mimic, you know what mimic means, like mimic, like mimic, okay. But then mimic nimic means like mimic nothing. It's just to be funny. I hope you like my content, and there's gonna be more. Also, of course, if you encourage it with your comments, likes, and with subscribes, then it's probably going to get better. If I have no feedback and like nothing else, then we'll be getting my videos removed or deleted by YouTube or by others. I don't know who just don't like me for some reason. Then how would I know if everything is good? So thank you. See you with the next one.